Okay, Brian. So it's Friday morning.
It's Friday. Well, hello friends, because that's how we start all our videos. We're on our way up to Gooseford because we're gonna make this car loud.
How loud?
Like super tight butthole loud. So I'm a bit worried about it, but.
And what are we getting? What kind of exhaust is it, Brian?
So we're getting a Tomei Expreme TI. So it's a titanium 3-inch single exit race spec exhaust. So it's going to be pretty mega.
Excellent.
I'm looking forward to it. Also, show everyone my new knob. I got a STI Duracon genuine gear knob. No, different knob. This one right here. Beautiful, beautiful.
Yeah, it's lovely.
Isn't that nice?
It is.
So we're gonna get fuel, and we've got Nick Starr following behind us. I'm not sure if you can see him in the back through the window. In his Subi as well. He's gonna.
We can. Super Cruise.
Super Cruise. So we'll see if he's gonna buy anything as well.
Excellent.
Probably will.
Probably.
Yeah.
Alrighty.
He's a menace. We just found the Subaru edition Subaru, the S edition, Scooby.
Getting some petroleum.
Or as they like to say in America, gas.
Gasoline.
Gas. Gas. 98 or bust. So we just got passed by 2 highway patrol. They left us alone, but we had to warn Nick because Nick's pretty JDM.
For the moment. We getting passed by another highway patrol?
Yeah. At least you're in the house, motherfucker. There's another number 4 highway patrol officer behind us. We've been on the freeway for what? 20 minutes? 20 minutes on the freeway, and this is the 4th highway patrol who's come up behind us.
They must know today's Subaru Day.
Yeah.
It's ridiculous.
Hang on, here he goes, let's get him, we'll get him as well. Hang on, I need 2 hands on the wheel or it'll fucking find me. We're behind old mate.
Old mate?
Old mate and 2 highway patrol. The other 2 sped off.
What, a police sped off?
Yeah.
Can they do that?
Well, hopefully they dick this guy for driving in the right lane. I just want to see them pull someone over so I can laugh. Like, is that so hard? I'd find it so entertaining. This is Pro Speed Racing. I've bought some stuff off of them in the past. The shop's just up here on the left, the orange sign. So.
Pro Speed. Bro.
We'll hard park together, why not? It is that does the black Mazda all the time.
Yeah.
I just don't get it. It's like, it does sit loose. Yeah, awesome. Yeah. I'm sure like, the price is very nice, but after you.
I don't know if they fit over my
radiator.
They fit over my radiator.
The carbon faceplates only came in yesterday.
That's for your car, isn't
So
it?
I can sell that today for you.
Yeah, but yeah, again, it won't fit. Won't fit.
I have to double check. I actually haven't done any 2015 WRXs or anything.
So I've done a quick change of clothes so I don't get my good clothes dirty. Here's a beer for you, mate. This is step 1 of
Cheers.
anything you do on your car. You need beers
Needs to be done
first.
with beers. Ching ching.
Got one for Nick in there too. And now let's open up this bad boy.
You got a bit of junk in your trunk?
I do. Baby. Lucas, are you ready for this?
I'm ready.
I don't think you're ready for this jelly.
I'm so ready for this jelly.
Fuck, those staples hurt. Oh.
Oh, baby.
Hang on, I want to show you the rear muffler first so you can jizz. Hard jizz. So we've got little Tomei stickers and badges.
Decals, yeah, nice.
We've got the hanger.
Yep.
Got some clamps. That's for the actual cannon part. You've got all
Your gaskets.
bolts, gaskets and glue. And then that's the silencer that goes in the back.
Yep.
If you ever want to make it quiet. And this
This is it.
money shot.
Money shot, wow. Oh my goodness me.
I forgot how big this thing is, man. Holy moly.
I like the imprint on the top of it actually. It's nice.
Tomei on the top. Fuck, that's a good looking muffler, eh?
Oh yeah.
Have a look down the centre of that. Straight through. Does it work?
It does.
Oh, good. Expreme, sorry.
Free.
Fuck, wait till you see the lobster world.
That is whirling porn.
And as you can see, as well, it's just all slip-ons with springs. There's no flanges that you bolt together for weight reduction. Fuck, it looks sick. I love this thing, man.
That's how I go.
Are you watching me jack off?
I'm watching you jack off. Got a strong pumping arm there, Brian.
Only my right arm.
You only use one arm to jack off?
Yeah. Sometimes I do it backwards, like this.
Ah, yeah.
Just like mix it up, feels a bit different.
The best part.
Yeah, it's great for your triceps, actually.
Once you get move up the others, he says.
Work. Makes life so awesome.
Whereabouts is WD-40?
Should be around there somewhere. My favourite is when you spray WD-40 and then you get to eat it when it drips off.
I concur.
Breakfast at Champion.
I'll come around the other side.
Oh, never mind. Yes, thank you.
Skills, bro. Skills that
Practice
kill.
makes perfect.
Alright, 2 more bolts and then it's ready to go.
Oh, yeah, sip up.
So this bolt was giving us a bit of grief. It looks alright until you put it sideways and then you realise it's fucking bent like a boner. Look at that.
That's the way I curve.
Well, now that that's off,
Yeah, don't Subarus love corners, don't they?
now we can put the other exhaust on. Yay! Good work, team. Beers all round.
Alright.
So we got the stock exhaust there. Look at the pipe difference. That was a fucking mission. That should not have been that hard.
No.
Hang on one sec, my fingers there. There we go.
Cute. As you can see, we just slide them in like this, and then we put the springs on, which is still here, trying to hold out and get the springs out of the packet.
Fuck me, it's just so nice.
It's such a, you can just feel the quality, I feel like. I don't know if
Yeah,
that makes
no, I agree.
sense. Like,
Like,
the quality of it's just in another level. Top.
Yeah.
I think that's it.
Easy.
Should have put this on the floor. Fire it up for the first time. See if there are any leaks and see how it sounds.
Excellent.
Pick it up, boys. Jesus Christ, I'm just like a...
Oh, where's my phone?
You know what I need though?
Yeah. Oh wait, watch out. Ah, that old story.
Just quickly check the lids. Right, you ready for some revs?
Yes.
I feel like I'm being blown away. Wow.
Isn't that like?
Shit.
First drive with the Tomei.
The Tomei.
It's just so silly. What have I done?
Living the dream.
What do you feel like for lunch?
Hey, Jays?
Yeah, actually sounds good to me. It's pretty fucking loud.
It's not that loud though. Like it's loud.
Yeah. It sounds fucking good though.
It sounds excellent.
It's really mean. Let's try it with windows up, just like cruising. Like see if it's like, you know, 6:30 in the morning, heading off to work.
Oh yeah, they moan.
It's not too bad. Like,
Yeah.
we can still have a conversation right now.
Absolutely.
It's not like I'm yelling at you, and it's not droney at all.
No, it's
Like it has no drone. It's just noise.
it sounds excellent.
Yeah.
It's titanium for you, I guess.
Yeah. So like even now, under load, like we're still having a conversation. It's not like
Yeah.
it's so loud that we have to start screaming. So
No, and it still just sounds good. It just
Yeah.
sounds so damn good.
pretty pleased. Plop, 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 plop.
Plop, 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 plop.
Alright, hey guys, so I had some real issues with my camera and the SD card, and I actually lost a lot of footage from this video, so unfortunately I don't have a great ending, but I have had the exhaust on for about a week now, and I can say that I love it. It is loud, but it sounds amazing. Honestly, the one cutout thing doesn't bother me at all. I mean, how often am I looking at the back of my own car? Never. I'm always driving it, so all I really care about is how it sounds and how it feels. So I think as an exhaust, it's amazing. If you're looking for something that's reasonable and quiet, blah, 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 don't buy this exhaust. What I will say is that it does not drone. If you're in 6th or 5th and you're just cruising, keeping speed, it's dead quiet. But as soon as you have to, you know, load the engine up and go up a hill or something, it is loud. With the silencer in, it's, you know, completely bearable. I haven't had any comments about it with the silencer in. It just sounds like any other Subi. So I guess from that respect, you could just run the silencer and then take it out for track and things if you're worried about that. But I think overall, if you're not looking for a really loud exhaust, don't buy this. But if you're looking for something that sounds what I think is the best Subaru sound you can get, then buy this exhaust. So that's pretty much the end of the video. Tomorrow I'm actually changing out the wheels. I do like the Advans, but I don't love them. I'm just not completely sold on the gold on purple. I'm not sure. Like, it looks cool and it looks racy, but I just don't think it's for me. So what I'm actually doing is tomorrow I'm picking up 2015 STI Premium, the BBS wheels. They kind of look like CR Kais. I got them really cheap. So I'm going to be putting my 265s on those rims. And fitting them up, and they're that cool shadow chrome color, and I think that'll suit this car better than the gold. They're really dirty here, so they kind of look more bronzy, but when they're clean, I don't know, just isn't for me. But I'll show you guys in the next video. I don't really think it's worth putting a whole video up about changing my wheels over, especially when I'm going to stock wheels. So yeah, but thanks heaps for watching. As always, feel free to subscribe and whatever. I got some other videos coming up soon. I got some more work going on the Subi, and I'll try and get some more videos up with my mates' cars and some stuff we're doing. So yeah, thanks heaps guys, thanks for watching, and see you next time.